In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email address on LinkedIn. Adding an email to your LinkedIn account can be a crucial step toward improving your account management and ensuring you never miss important notifications from potential employers or professional connections. So let's dive right in. First, begin by navigating to LinkedIn's website at linkedin.com. Once you're on their homepage, locate the sign in page. Here you'll need to decide how you would like to access your account. You can either sign in using your Google credentials or by manually entering your email address and password. It's always a good idea to keep your login information secure and double check that you're on the official LinkedIn page before entering any personal details. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn will prompt you to verify your login by sending a code to your registered phone number. This additional security measure might seem like a hassle, but it's definitely a valuable step in protecting your account from unauthorized access. Once you've verified your login, you will be directed to your LinkedIn profile. Now take a look at the top right corner of your profile. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you must select Settings and Privacy. It's here that you manage crucial aspects of your account, and today we're specifically interested in the Sign In and Security section. Within this section, you will find the option to manage your email addresses. Look for a space dedicated to email management, which provides an option to add another email. Clicking on this gives you the ability to input and associate additional email addresses with your LinkedIn account. If two-factor authentication is still active, expect to receive a code via email for verification purposes. When prompted, enter the code to ensure you're authorized to make these changes. Once you've successfully cleared this security checkpoint, you'll see a text box where you can input your new email address. Type in your desired email, taking care to double check for any typos. For one final layer of security, LinkedIn will ask for your account password. Inputting your password confirms your identity and helps keep your account safe from unauthorized changes. Once you've entered your password, click on Submit. This final step completes the process, associating your new email address with your LinkedIn account, and there you have it. You've successfully added a new email address to your LinkedIn profile. Remember, consistently managing and updating your contact details is vital for smooth communication and effective networking on this powerful platform. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to stay connected for more tips on maximizing your LinkedIn experience.